artwork.
May artwork.
Away ba ito?
Nemo.
Nemo?
Dili.
Ikaw
Represent the artwork of painting Water Lilies by Claudie Monet. What is about and what is it for? Claudie Monet, Water Lilies is a series of approximately 250 oil painting created between 1897 and 1926. This painting visited Monet Flowers Garden at his home in Giverny, France, focusing on the pans filled with the water lily's reflection on the sleigh and surrounding plant. Water lily is more than just a series of painting. It is a Monet attempt to capture beauty, time, and the tranquility of nature. What is it made of? Monet water lilies painting were created using oil paint on canvas. How good is it? Widely regarded as one of the greatest achievements in Western art, its impact is immense, both artificially and emotionally. It is a masterpiece that transports art and continues to inspire generation. So, nganong gipili na ako ni narelate ko ani kay mahilig man sad ko manganong.
Plantita.
Sa kuan ako ani kay narelate ko ani niya kay nagtanong siya naghimo siya kada na ang garden sa ilaha dito sa Giverny, France. Then pila ka tuig iya na kung gipunan ang iyaha ditong garden, gibutangan niya og mano ni siya pan na may gibutangan niya water lily niya ang pan gibutangan po niya og kana nagitang mura siya og kana na ang kana bitang bridge. Gibutangan niya bridge. Then aside pa na nahuman niya to na kuan na garden, iya pong gipaint after sa kuan iyang gipaint. Then mo ni siya ang kuan sa painting. Dali kuan ni kay simple kayo iyang kuan ba ang iyahang kanang balituo jud ang iyahang kuan ba kay kanang gawas sa na kuan pa niya gipaint pag niya ba.